The worst thing that can happen to a man is when his woman leave him, and he never know when she's going to come back. So the next tune is by Mr. Corden Barrett. How long will you stay away? Catch this, massive.
I'm sitting here all alone. Hey, I'm wishing that you were home.
What?
To hold me in your arms, giving me all the chance.
Sing to her.
Realizing I'm not so strong. I'm missing you from day one. That's why I write this song, and I'm asking you how long. How long will you stay away from me? How long will you stay? How long will you stay away?
Yo, the tune's so nice we have to play it twice. Mr. Corden Barrett, how long will you stay away? Yo, fellas, listen to this. If you don't want to have to sing a song like this to your lady, do right. Music. New music. Corden Barrett, how long will you stay away? Sing to the Empress Rude Boy.
I'm sitting here all alone. Hey, I'm wishing that you were home to hold me in your arms, giving me all the chance. Yeah. Realizing I'm not so strong. I'm missing you from day one. That's why I write this song, and I'm asking you how long. How long will you stay away from me? How long will you stay? How long will you stay away from me? How long will you stay away from me? How long will you stay away?
A big song, you know. Get it now, on sale everywhere.
I can't believe you're gone, unable to stay calm.
Man can sing.
Seems like it was only yesterday. Thought that your love was here to stay.
She'll be back.
Now that you're gone, I've been going through a storm.
Right.
I need you back with me. Giving me love so tender.
Sing.
Stay away from me. How long will you stay away from me?
See, it's more songs like this what we need. It don't have to be y'all chop this, shot that, scam this, kill this. You know what I mean? No, man. Songs like that. So, yo, Corden Barrett, big up yourself. Yo, like I said, the song on sale everywhere, all right? That's all I got to say. Big up yourself, King. New music, new music, new music. That is what that was.